Hello watchers and dear subscribers, this is again Sriyank from Smartherd. Welcome to 34th Android app development tutorial. Now the time has come when you are gonna make your own application and show your folks that you are an Android developer. Now in my graduation days I made an application, Android Interview. We can start with the simple application of Android Interview and let me clear your all the basics that you are gonna face while you are going to make the complex application. So we are gonna make the app on Android Interview, something related to our Android stuff. Now let's proceed. Here I am having some screenshot. Our front page of the application will look something like this right now. Here you can see 4 buttons: simple questions, tough questions, see our other apps, and rate app. Right now when user clicks on the simple button, then the color of the button will change to something else, right? And then a second activity will open. You can say we are migrating from activity A to activity B. So our second activity will look like this. Here the question will be at the top and a text view is beneath that saying press answer button for the answer. When user will click this answer button, then the answer will dynamically appear in front of the user. And user can migrate to other questions by clicking on this right button or left button and so on, right? Now the front page we are gonna learn with the help of relative layout, and the activity B we are going to learn with the help of the linear layout. Right now here at the top you can see a music button. Right, this is our custom title bar, and just beside the text view simple question I am having a button. When you click on this button, your application will automatically say what is AAPT, right? So we are also going to learn how to convert text to speech, right? How your Android application will read the text in your application, right? This application tutorials is gonna be very helpful for those who has just entered into the field of Android app development. During these videos, you are going to learn how to make compatible application that is compatible with all the devices of different screen sizes. Right now you are having tablets, 5.1 screen, 5.7 inch screen, and blah blah blah. So how your application is gonna compatible with all the different screen sizes, right? I will teach you that. Thirdly, we are gonna make it compatible for the use in tablets also. Right now we are going to make it compatible with various versions and different APIs of the Android. Now your application is going to run in 2.2 Froyo to the latest Android version that you are having in the market right now. Next we are going to learn about relative layout and linear layout, and we are also going to learn scroll view in Android. Next we are going to learn styling and graphics, how you can style your application, how you can make it more and more attractive. Next we are going to learn about the action title bar with widgets on it. That means the music button that you saw at the top of the title bar, that is a button and that was embedded in our custom title bar, right? That is only available with the help of the action bar activity that we previously saw. Right now, last but not the least, we will learn about how to convert text into speech, which means your app will talk with the user. Now in the 9th tutorial we saw various types of view groups and layouts. These were linear layout, relative, frame layout, list view, grid view, table layout, blah blah blah, whatever it is. Right now in our application we will use linear layout and relative layout, and rest of the layouts I will use it later. Right, I just want to make you comfortable with linear layout and relative layout as of now. Right, and also the scroll view in our application. Right, now before we proceed to our Eclipse, I just want to show you something. Now in our layout here you can see a button. Now this button is having a bit different attribute. Now the width of the button is not actually wrap content because it is taking some extra space. Right now this is actually 500 dp. Now if you want your button to be this long, then you have to define it manually. Right, here my button is 500 dp wide. Now you can see its attribute layout width equal to 500 dp and layout height equal to wrap content. Now why I have written this 500 dp? This dp is actually density independent pixels, and we are going to use this dp for defining the dimensions of our layouts, buttons, or any other views or view groups. Right now I am not going to go into the details what is dp and what is sp and what are the other pixels. If you are beginner, then you must have saw there are many units of measurement, and I have seen in many Android forums people asking, they are having a big doubt what units they actually have to use while defining the dimensions of the views or view groups, right? Now, next, in this layout you can see the text. One is very large and medium large and very small, right? Now, this is actually the custom size that I have defined. Now, in case of text, you have to define the dimensions by text size equal to 80 sp or 50 sp or 20 sp, right? Now, in case of size of the text, you have to use scaled pixel, right? As of now, just know in case of text you use the sp, that is scaled pixel, and here are the attribute Android text equal to 80 sp, Android text size equal to 50 sp, and similarly text size equal to 20 sp, right? So manually also you can change the text size. I will have the proper discussion on scaled pixels and density independent pixels in the upcoming tutorials. Just as of now, just remember, for the text we use sp, and for the dimensions of the buttons and other layouts or views we use dp, right? So just stay tuned guys, these tutorials are just for you only. We are going to make an awesome application on Android Interview. So stay tuned guys, catch you guys in next tutorial. This is Shrek from Smartherd signing off, and please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below my video. Thank you and have a good day.